Come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please come. So, your name is Avantika.
Yes, sir.
How much time have you spent here in Dehradun so far?
Sir, from last 10 days I am here.
How has been the experience?
Sir, it was quite good. I like the mountains and
Okay.
structures.
And which are the areas where you feel you have gained, you have improved, or you are learning?
Sir, for my SSB. So, sir, I got new information about psych, sir. And sir, my GTO. Sir, there are 2 classes which is conducted of GTO, sir. So I also gained much more about that.
So Dehradun you visited first time?
Yes, sir.
Except weather, what would you like here?
Sir, geographical areas,
Okay.
sir.
So you come from a place called Kanpur Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Where is this place, Kanpur Nagar?
Sir, it is in Uttar Pradesh, sir, east. Uttar Pradesh east, sir.
Which are the big places nearby?
Okay, sir. Sir, there are JK Temple and sir, Green Park Stadium is also there, sir. And sir, Kanpur, the station of Kanpur is also quite good, sir. And sir, yes, sir.
So you've been to in Kanpur for how many years now?
Sir, from last 7 years.
Before that?
Sir, before that I was in Rajasthan, Alwar, sir.
So what is Kanpur famous for?
Sir, basically for leather industry, sir.
And
And sir, Balu Shahi also famous.
that mithai.
Yes, sir, mithai.
So if you have to compare, your place Kanpur to Dehradun, what differences would you bring out?
Sir, in Kanpur, sir, there is lot of there is crowd, sir. There is very much, sir, in Kanpur.
Okay.
And sir, in Dehradun, sir, I haven't. So there is not much crowd. And sir, talking about sir facilities. So I felt Kanpur provides a very good facilities of transportation also, sir. And sir, in Dehradun, I didn't feel, sir, anything.
So which places you have seen in Dehradun?
Sir, not. Sir, I came from a station to Chanakya, sir.
And then not gone out?
No, sir.
Okay. So but people must have told you that there are good places in Dehradun to see. What all they have told you?
Sir, sir, I didn't remember the name.
Say I want to come to Kanpur
Yes, sir.
and ask you which are the places I should see. What would you tell me?
Sir, in Kanpur. Sir, I will tell you about Sir JK Temple, which is basically for Radha Krishna Temple, sir. And sir, another is yes, sir. There is Bitur, which is which have some historical basis also. Like Nana Rao Park is also there, sir, in Kanpur. And sir, the zoological park, which has the big landmass.
All right. So you are comfortable here?
Yes, sir.
Accommodation, food,
Yes, sir.
how are the friends?
Sir, they are good, sir. They are supportive.
How
Sir,
many new friends have you made?
sir, many, sir, new friends, because they all are very good, and sir, they support me, sir. Like in the evening, we do GD, and if I have any problem, sir, so I can go and ask them, sir.
What problems you had?
Sir, like the rope climbing, sir. Sir, I faced many problems, sir. I fell also, sir. So, sir, there is a boy named Ankit, sir. He helped me, sir. And now, today morning, sir, I touched the top part.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you,
So
sir.
you are finding improvement?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Continue this practice.
Okay, sir.
And even if when you go out from here, some place you should find to practice.
Okay.
or hang some rope in your house somewhere at the strong point. Practice there. Tell your father to get a long rope and practice it.
Okay, sir.
It can be done. It's not difficult.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Avanti, what's the meaning of your name?
Sir, it is the first flower to be blossom, and sir, it has also historical meaning, sir. Sir, the city name Ujjain. Sir, it was also known as Avanti, and sir, yes, sir.
Where in
Avanti.
Ujjain?
Sir, it is in Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Have you been to Ujjain?
No, sir.
So, apart from Kanpur and Dehradun, which other places have you seen in India?
Sir,
Except where your father has been there.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I went to sir Jammu and Kashmir, sir Vaishno Devi Mandir temple, and sir Odisha, Jagannath Puri, and sir sir in Punjab, sir,
Okay.
Gurudwara, sir.
You have seen lot of places in the
Yes,
country.
yes, sir.
Fine. So during next few minutes we will talk more about you and cover various areas like your education, about your family, about your interests, hobbies and spare time activities. I have some idea about you from this PIQ sheet that you have submitted, but I need to know more to understand you better.
Yes,
So that information I would like to get out from you.
yes, sir.
Please speak freely about yourself and your activities.
Okay, sir.
Since you are a student, I would start with the education part. In that, if you tell me about your education starting from class 10th onwards,
Yes,
I
sir.
would be interested to know your favorite subjects, the subjects you did not care much about, grades and percentages that you achieved in various exams through your education line, co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities that you participated, what have been your achievements in those activities, about the friend circle that you moved around with, who are your close friends, why do you feel they are close to you. If you have avoided some friends, I would like to know the reasons why you avoided them. Teachers whom you like very much and the ones who did not impress you. Reasons you will know.
Yes, sir.
I would like to know the reasons. What is your ambition in life? At what stage of your life so far you decided, okay, this is going to be my ambition. What efforts towards your ambition you have put so far, and what efforts are you putting in the present times? What are you likely to do in the future also? Thank you.
Sir, I studied, I start from 10th. Sir, I scored 75% in my 10th. And I did my 10th from Army Public School, which is in Kanpur. And in 12th, I scored 94.5%, which is in Kanpur itself. Sir, I did from APS Kanpur. And sir, I did my graduation from PPN PG College, which is in Kanpur itself. And sir, later on, sir, I am, sir, I have lot of friends, sir, Shikha, Hemant, Shivam, sir, Tanu, sir, these are all my best friends, sir, and they motivated me. So they always motivated me towards my dream. And sir, there is no one whom I don't like, sir, in my friends, because in every stage my life, sir, some of them motivated me, sir, or support me. And sir, talking about teachers, sir, so Aarti Chapra ma'am, sir, in class 9, from class 9, she is my favorite teacher. And yes, sir, there is no teacher whom I didn't like, sir, but there was one teacher, sir, named Nagin Pandey, sir. So then, sir, he was if the child is very much, if the child is scored very good marks, sir, so he always take care of him, sir, and the child who get below, sir, so he pay very low attention to them. And sir, hobbies, sir, my hobbies are, I like to play sports, and I like to watch movies and reading books, and sir, Yes, sir. My aim, I want to become army officer, sir. And yes, sir.
Okay. So you have finished your graduation this year.
Yes, sir.
What subject have you done graduation and what are you doing presently?
Sir, I did my graduation from history, English, and sir, political science.
So you have done BA.
Yes, sir.
And in class 12th, what subjects you had?
Sir, I had humanities stream, sir, history, geography, political science, English, and Hindi, sir.
Any specific reason you shifted to humanities stream after class 10?
Sir, I had a great interest in, sir, history and geography, sir. Yes, sir. That was the reason.
Where is
sir.
Atlantic Ocean? Where is Atlantic Ocean location? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, it is.
So, so which are the countries next to Atlantic?
Sir, USA and sir, Europe.
Okay.
Yes.
Sit comfortably. That chair belongs to you.
Okay, sir.
Use your back and take back rest. Fine. So you like history.
Yes, sir.
We had 3 battles of Panipat.
Yes, sir.
When were they and between whom?
Sir, the first battle of Panipat was between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, sir, 1526. And second battle was fought between Akbar and Hemu. Sir, it was in 1556. And sir, the third was sir, I don't, sir, I just forget the, sir. It was fought between Marathas and Mughals.
So, what is the lineage of Mughal rulers in India? How it started and who was the last ruler?
Sir, Babur was the first ruler who came from Afghanistan, Fargana, and another was Shah Jahan.
After Babur, who was there?
Sir, Shah Jahan.
Tell me in sequence. After Babur.
Okay, sir. After Babur, sorry, sir. After Babur, it was Humayun and Sir Akbar and Sir Babur. Sir Babur, Humayun, Akbar. Sir, wait, sir. Sir Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, and Sir. Sir, the last ruler was Bahadur Shah Zafar.
Where would you put Jahangir?
Sir, Jahangir, he was the son of Akbar, sir.
Then, after Akbar, you said Shah Jahan.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Good. So, otherwise, when you took humanities, what kind of career was playing on your mind? When you were in class 12, what was the career ambition that you had? If you had made an ambition by that time?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I wanted to join army, sir, and secondly, I want to, sir. When I was in 12th, so sir, because my teachers and there were many seminars happened. So sir, sir, in that I want to do, sir, UPSC, and sir, that time I didn't decided, sir. But sir, I want to become an officer, sir. But
Don't worry, continue. Take time, take 1 or 2 seconds, think and then speak. No problem. So when did you actually decide that you want to join the army?
sir, when I was in class 11th, sir, a seminar happened, sir. 2 officers, one female and male, came in my school to tell us about the army, sir, because I did my schooling from EPS Kanpur, sir. So, sir, they told us about various things about army, how can we join army, and Sir, so they motivated me very much, sir.
Okay. Now, was the option of NDA available to you?
Yes, sir, it was available.
How many NDA chances you have taken?
Sir, I haven't taken any
Hmm.
because, sir, as I had a different background, I was from humanities, so I hadn't taken, sir.
But you could have appeared and you could have joined army.
Yes,
Only
sir.
NDA paper you would have had to do maths.
Yes, sir. But, sir, I was preparing for, sir, OTA.
So you decided earlier only that you will go for OT, not for NDA.
Yes, sir. When NDA came in, sir, 2021 for girls.
Hmm.
So, sir, I didn't go for NDA, sir,
Where is
because
NDA? Where is NDA
sir,
located?
Khadagwaz.
But have you been to that place?
No, sir.
Have you been to Pune?
No, sir.
Okay. Why do you feel that you are a suitable person for military as an officer?
Sir, because I am determined to my work,
Hmm.
and sir, I am a hard-working student,
Hmm.
and sir, whatever task given to me, sir, I did it very well, and sir, uh, I like, sir, adventurous life, sir.
Okay. So what adventures have you done in your life so far?
Sir, I hadn't done, sir, till date.
Then how do you know you are an adventurous person?
Sir, I like, sir, I want to do, sir, in future, sir.
Okay. So you have a desire
Yes, sir.
to take part in adventurous activities.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So any acquaintances in military that have motivated you or inspired you to join the military?
Yes, sir. My father is in. Sir, my father was in army, sir. He is retired in 2019. Sir, he motivated me very much, sir. And my maternal side, my maternal uncle is also in army, sir. And I have two cousins, sir. They are also in army, sir. Sir, they all are motivated me very much.
Okay. So Avantika, this gives me some idea about your education background and the way you have come up now. Have you taken admission in college
Yes, sir.
for PG?
No, sir.
What are you doing these days and how are you spending your time?
Sir, I am preparing for sir OTA, sir, because I hadn't given any OTA till yet.
So how many serious attempts you have given?
Sir, I had given, sir, this CDS, sir, but it hadn't clear. Sir, these days, sir, I am preparing for, sir, I am also practicing, sir, SSC steno, sir, stenographer.
Okay.
So, sir, last time I had cleared it, but, sir, because I didn't know the language, so I can't be able to clear mains, sir.
So you are preparing for shorthand?
Yes, sir.
So CDS, how many chances have you given?
Sir, only one.
Only one.
Yes, sir.
So is it that difficult?
No, sir.
See, you have taken part in NCC also.
Yes, sir.
And you are going for NCC special in which there is no exam.
Yes, sir.
Directly you have come for the this thing. So what is the motto of NCC?
Sir, sir, I know, sir.
Tell me. Don't worry. Think and speak.
Unity and discipline, sir.
Okay. And NCC flag, can you explain to me how does NCC flag look like?
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, it is a blue part which represents, sir, navy, and sir, red is for army, and light blue is for sir, navy, sir.
Light blue is for navy.
Yes, sir.
And dark blue is for air
Sir,
force.
sir, light blue is for air force, sir, and dark blue is for navy.
And what sequence are these colors in the flag? On the left, which is one, on the right, which is the one? You have done some sort of firing also in NCC? Some weapon firing?
Yes, sir, I did in CATC, sir.
Which weapon did you fire?
Sir, SLR.
SLR. What is the full form of SLR?
Self-loaded rifle, sir.
So what is the caliber of SLR?
Sorry, sir.
What is the bore size of SLR caliber? It is called 7.62 mm.
Yes, sir,
What is
7.62?
7.62?
Sir, it's bore, sir.
It is millimeter, inch, centimeter, meter. What is it?
Sir, sir, millimeter.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the bullet?
Yes, sir.
How many bullets come in a magazine? SLR.
Sir, 5.
So this self-loading, how does self-loading takes place in the SLR? When you fire one round, second round automatically goes into the chamber.
Yes, sir.
How does it happen? The empty comes out from which side? Left side, right side? The empty cartridge.
Sir, left side.
It falls this way
Yes, sir.
or it falls on your right.
Sir, it falls, sir, this way, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will know about your family. Tell me about your father, your mother, their education, their occupation, how do you spend time together, your activities at home, whom do you approach whenever you have a problem or when you want to confide some kind of secret. What are the activities in which you personally participate with the family? Pocket money, how much you get, and how do you spend that money? Who gives you? About your neighbors, what kind of relationship do you share with the neighbors, and what social, cultural, and other activities you participate when you are with them? Tell me.
Sir, my father has served in army, sir, and he is from 25 Rajput. He did graduation, sir, and my mother, sir, she is a housemaker, and she did graduation in, sir, Hindi.
Okay.
And sir, I had a very good bond with my mother, sir, and father both, sir. And I spent my days, sir, in home, sir, helping with my mother, and sometimes my father also. And sir, whenever my brother get any difficulty, sir, so I try to help him. And sir, talking about my neighbors, so then sir, they are very friendly, sir, and whenever any function or any festival happens, sir, so we celebrate equally, sir, in locality, sir, itself. And sir, I sir, whenever sir, my brother's birthday or my father's birthday, there is a birthday in my family, so sir, I try to give them a surprise, sir.
Okay. And what's the age of your parents?
Sir, my father is, sir, in 45, and my mother is 44.
You are from Kanpur, very close to the state capital, just 2 hours from Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
So who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Anandiben Patel.
Anandiben Patel. She is from which state?
Sir, she is from Gujarat.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what do you understand by this concept of one nation, one election?
Sir, one nation, one election, elections require, sir, a lot of money, and sir, these officers and the teachers, sir. So sir, to decrease all that, I mean to reduce amount of money, sir, and so that one elections and sir, all the elections are happen at the one time, sir. So it will also decrease, sir, the amount of money which is wasted, so we can use it in some other things, other beneficial things. And sir, by the teachers which are deployed in various schools for conducting this election, so sir, it can also, sir, use their time to educate children. So sir,
So which elections, when we say all elections, which elections we are talking
sir, legislative assemblies and Lok Sabha and sir, all these things.
So if Yogi Adityanath meets you
Yes.
or you meet him and he says, give me, Avantika, give me 2 suggestions for improving our state, what 2 suggestions you will give him?
Sir, I suggest him to, sir, first is for cleanliness. Sir, in Kanpur, sir, people just throw the garbage here and there, sir. So, sir, I suggest him for cleanliness, and government took very much initiatives, but to aware people, it is also necessary to aware people, sir, because if we are not awareing people, sir, so what is the use of, sir, all these initiatives? And sir, the another is, I like to suggest, sir, sir, only one thing.
Only
I
one?
suggest. Yes.
Remaining everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have told me so many things about yourself, starting from your education, family and everything. Is there something about you that we have not discussed and you feel I should know?
Yes, sir. Sir, I played sports at my college, sir.
Okay. Which games and sports you played?
Sir, Kho-Kho and sir, tug of war.
Tug of war, how many people are there in tug of war team?
Sir, more than 8.
And the last person is called what?
Yes, sir.
What is he called? There is a name for that person. Like there is a wicketkeeper, there is a
Yes,
bowler.
sir, I got
So
that.
that person has got a name. What is that called? You used to be last or first?
No, sir, I was in the middle, sir.
In the middle. Okay. Doesn't matter. So you know yourself better than anybody else.
Yes, sir.
No one can claim, even your parents cannot claim. So what do you feel is one good thing in you, and what one thing that you would like to improve most?
Sir, good thing is I help, sir, anybody who is in need, and sir, bad thing is, sir, I am weak in, sir, communication skills, so I am trying to improve it. Sir, these both things.
So very nice talking to you, Avantika. I enjoyed. Came to know about you a lot. Thank you for the information that you have given.
Yes.
And I can only say good luck. Continue working hard and wish you good luck all the best.